Today I'm going to show you how to change your vehicle on the Uber driver app, step by step. Step 1. Open the Uber driver app. Launch the app on your smartphone. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. Step 3. Choose Vehicles. Select Vehicles or Manage Vehicles from the menu. Step 4. Add a new vehicle. Tap Add a Vehicle and enter all required details: vehicle make and model, license plate number, registration and insurance info. Upload documents if needed. Step 5. Set your active vehicle. After adding, choose the new vehicle as your active one in the app. Step 6. Remove or update an old vehicle. If needed, use Remove or Edit options in the Vehicle Management section to update or delete your old car. Step 7. Submit changes. Submit your updates and wait for Uber to review and approve if necessary. Now, an important note: always enter accurate and truthful information and upload valid documents to meet Uber's policies and local laws. This keeps your account in good standing and ensures your rides are safe and fully insured. And that would be all for this video. I'll see you on the next one.